Hi everybody, welcome back to Aviary today, where we have just arrived at the Yorkshire British Bird and Hybrid Club Show 2024. Now, we dropped the birds off this morning at about 8 o'clock or so. We've checked them in and now they have been judged. So we're going to head into the show hall and see how we've got on. So we are back from the Yorkshire British Bird and Hybrid Club Show, and it was a great show. I really enjoyed it. I think the show is not at the same levels of entries as it was probably 5 or 6 years ago, but still a great show nevertheless. A couple of hundred birds in there and well supported, particularly by the locals, which are always great, and it's one of the most local British bird specialist shows to me, so that was good. And there was also Team Dagenham there, had come up from obviously London and what have you, so fair play to them for coming up. Now, it was competitive, really did enjoy it. We had a couple of class wins with my European greenfinches and lesser red poles, but the bird we're going to look at was the bird that won me 3 specials at the show, and that is this bird right here. This is a clear European siskin mule, so that's a cross between a European siskin and a canary, a completely clear bird, so quite an unusual one, quite a rarity. Didn't breed this bird, sadly. I did get it from a friend of mine over a year ago now, and I've just been working on steadying it down for the shows. This was its first show of the season and it came back with 3 specials, so I'm really pleased with that. So we'll take a closer look at it, but thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one.